world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. In a previous video, I showed you how I modified a hawk bill, and it was initially something like this, and I made another type of monstrosity. Okay. I also showed you the steer, which is the, I don't know, slightly more higher class, low budget, made in China, lifetime guarantee knife. But it's got this pointy bit over here. It's got this covered back spring, where this one is just a normal back spring. It's got the rounded bolsters, where this one just have these little slabs of metal over here. And then I said this one feels way better. Okay. But then I modified one of these to look like a sheep's foot. Okay. And this shape for me specifically in a working outside, doing whatever, is easier than the hawk bills. Hawk bills are great for pruning things and cutting wires and whatnot, but carpets, working type things. But this shape is just, I don't know, easier for me. Also, you can strop this thing and whatever easier than this one, these ones. Okay, but then I went to a local shop. It's a hardware store pretty much, and I got this thing. This is the Marceau wire stripping knife. Now, if you look at the packaging, you can see it was supposed to be a hawk bill, and it looked curved like the steer that I like, and it's got the lanyard attachment like the steer that I like. It's got the darker wood like this one, and it does have a sheep's foot type blade, but it's a longer blade. So of course I thought, why not? Also, it was super cheap. I cannot remember how much, but it was extremely inexpensive. Let's quickly read the packaging before I cut it open and go away. Okay, it says wire stripping knife, trusted, excellent. I don't have my spectacles on. Product. Then it says 205 millimeters, 3 millimeters thick, stainless steel blade, folded blade. Is that what it says? Folded blade. Okay, so folded blade, caution sharp blade. If you can read that, you win a prize. Okay, I think it says stainless steel blade for extra durability and corrosion resistance, and then made in China. Okay. Warning, extremely sharp, blah, 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 blah. There it gives you all the specs again. 8.5 centimeters, 20 overall, and 3 centimeters tall. Okay, let's open it. While I have this on the table, let's use the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Okay. Must say the action on this thing for an assisted knife is still fantastic. If you haven't checked that video, please do. Okay, now let's look at this thing. Okay, slightly oily, which is great. Well, it's stainless in big bold letters. That's the only thing it says. Fit and finish is rough, like all of these, but like I said, this is supposed to be a working knife. It feels good. The big neutral handle feels fantastic. I can see you working with this thing day and night without ever getting any, I don't know, fatigue, because it's quite fat. Let's see the action. Okay, the action is extremely tight, but not bad. Let me just see how far this thing sinks into the handle. It's even less than a hawk bill, but it's a way longer blade. A very, very positive close. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, it will cut. Do I have paper? Let's see. Okay, how sharp is this thing? Okay. not super sharp. Okay, so it's not a super sharp knife to start out with, but for its intended purpose as a wire stripping knife, I think this will do fine. And I love these type of things. If they're cheap enough not to care about and strong enough for you to not care about it for many, many years. Okay, so there we have it. Marcel wire stripping knife. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. I hear my kids singing. Can you hear my kids singing outside? Okay, goodbye.